In the vegetable world, cucumber is like everyone's boring cousin. It's not offensive, but it's not exactly thrilling either. It's probably not the first to make it onto your party invite list, in other words. Maybe it should be, though, because cucumber is actually a powerhouse veggie. It's loaded with fiber and water, but incredibly low in calories and sugar. Plus, the health benefits of cucumbers are far-reaching. Eat or drink it for digestive health and wellness. Whip up a cucumber mask and hydrate your skin, or leave cucumber rounds on your eyes to reduce puffiness. In this video, we will discuss top 10 health benefits of cucumbers. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So, let's dive into the video. Number 10. They're hydrating. If you feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated and it's time to replenish, according to Catherine Bowling, a family medicine specialist with Mercy Medical Center in Baltimore. But if the thought of drinking yet another glass of water turns you off, it's important to know cucumbers are an excellent substitute to increase your water intake. A cucumber has a water content of 95%, meaning you are taking in a lot of water with each one. This helps with hydration, which is important for so many body processes and can also help prevent headaches. Number 9. They fill you up. The key to being truly satisfied after a snack or meal? Eating foods with a combination of fiber and protein, both of which cucumber has in spades. Per Goran, a half cup of cucumber gives you 2 grams of protein and 2 grams of fiber to keep you feeling fuller for longer. Dr. Bowling agrees, adding that cucumber's satiating power can even help you with weight loss or maintaining a healthy weight. These low-calorie veggies help you fill up because they are packed with fluid and fiber. Number 8. They are anti-inflammatory. Cucumbers are chock full of antioxidants, like lignans, and minerals, such as potassium and magnesium, that Dr. Bowling says can have anti-inflammatory effects on your body when you eat enough of them. Think beta-carotene and flavonoids, both of which are powerful phytonutrients, which is good for you plant compounds. Number 7. They can depuff your eyes. In addition to providing anti-inflammatory effects inside your body when you eat them, Dr. Bowling says you can soak up those effects on the outside, too. All those times you've seen someone put cucumber slices on their eyes at a spa on television weren't just for visual effect. Cucumber on the eyes actually does work, Dr. Bowling says. They can help with redness, puffiness, and irritability. Number 6. They might increase your libido. According to the Produce for Better Health Foundation, cucumbers are an aphrodisiac. The vitamin C and manganese in these green veggies are known for increasing both your energy and your sex drive. Not only that, vitamin C can increase your circulation and blood flow, which can help men with erectile dysfunction. They are also rich in vitamin A, which is important for your immune system as well as for the production of testosterone. Number 5. They can make your skin glow. Similar to the benefits of putting cucumber on your eyes, Dr. Bowling suggests making a skin mask out of cucumber to rehydrate your skin with antioxidants and leave it looking younger and fresher. Some research suggests that cucumbers have cleansing properties that could be especially beneficial for the skin, and that it's also a soothing, cooling antidote to summer sunburn. Number 4. They can regulate your digestion. Yes, we're talking a lot about hydration here, but that's because few fruits and veggies have such a high water content as cucumbers, and every single part of our body relies on water, including our digestive system. Staying hydrated helps with the regularity of your bowel because more water means you won't have to worry about constipation, says Dr. Bowling. You need more fluids coming in when fluids are going out. Plus, all that fiber content in cucumbers also works wonders on your gut, adding bulk to your bowel movements and keeping them regular. Number 3. They are good for your blood sugar. Cucumbers are super low in sugar and carbohydrates, meaning they have a low glycemic index and are safe for people with diabetes to eat without worrying about spikes in blood sugar. And while there haven't really been any studies on humans regarding a connection between cucumbers and diabetes, several animal studies suggest cucumbers may be able to lower blood sugar levels and possibly play a role in managing diabetes. Number 2. They can improve bone health. It doesn't seem like the simple cucumber would be able to strengthen much of anything except your gin and tonic game, but it's actually packed with vitamin K, a nutrient responsible for proper bone formation and calcium absorption. In fact, vitamin K supplementation has also been linked to reducing fractures in women with low bone mineral density, so if you're postmenopausal, it certainly can't hurt to find some way to increase your cucumber intake. Number 1. They might prevent hair loss. On top of all the other good stuff found in cucumbers, you'll also discover silica, a natural element that promotes the growth of collagen and connective tissue in your skin, making it stronger and more elastic. What does this have to do with hair? Well, in addition to skin benefits, silica can reduce hair loss and thinning, as well as make hair appear brighter. You may need silica supplementation to correct severe hair loss, but eating your fair share of cucumbers might be able to ward off some hair-related signs of aging. Those are the top 10 health benefits of cucumbers. Hope you got some value. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.